Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing very well by staying at home. Stay home, stay safe. So in this video I wanted to share with you beginners makeup guide, a step by step how to apply makeup for beginners. This video is a bit longer because I'll be showing you every step in detail, what I do, some tips and tricks. So that's why I have divided this video in 3 parts. I'm going to keep this video very simple, very basic for all the beginners out there. So in today's video, I'll be sharing how to get a perfect base. If you want to know more about that, then please continue watching. But before getting into this video, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. First step is that you make sure that you're moisturizing your face very well. Even if you're oily skin, you should never ever skip a moisturizer. I've been using this one. This is the Garnier Wrinkle Lift Anti-Aging Cream. This cream is very lightweight and it moisturizes my skin so well. It's very important to prep your skin before you go out with layers and layers of makeup. Now let this moisturizer completely get absorbed into your skin, like sit around for 10 minutes so that it completely gets absorbed into your skin. Step 2 is using a primer. Even if you're a beginner, you will feel that you don't need a primer. But I'll really suggest that you should not skip a primer as well. The pores on your face needs to get filled in with a primer. Otherwise, if you go directly with the foundation and skip up the primer, the foundation will just settle into the pores and you won't get a very flawless makeup look. And also by using a primer, your makeup will last longer. Here I am just taking a very small amount of primer and I'm rubbing it between my fingers to warm it up. And I'll be just pressing the primer on my nose, chin and forehead wherever I have pores. Coming to the step 3, which is applying a foundation. Now there are a variety of foundations available in market. If you want a matte look, you should go for a matte foundation. If you want a glowy look, you should go for a glowy foundation, and etc, etc. Also the foundation depends on the coverage. If you want a very high coverage, then you can go for that. But if you want a daily use foundation, then you should go for a medium to sheer coverage foundation. So today I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. I'm in the shade 120. Now how to choose your foundation shade. This process is also very simple. So I have 2 foundations. One is my shade and one is not my shade. So I'll just over my cheek and I'll just blend it out. As you can see, this shade is not traceable at all. It has completely blended into my skin. So this is my shade. Now blending out this one. As you can see, this foundation is traceable on my skin like this, and this area does not match at all. So this is definitely not my shade. So this is the way you can find your own foundation shade. If you're buying foundation for the very first time, do not buy online. Visit a store, try out some samples, some shades, and then you can buy that shade online. For applying your foundation, there are 2 ways. The one is using a flat kabuki brush. Like this has a very flat surface, and the second one is using a beauty blender. I prefer using a brush over a beauty blender. Whenever you are using your beauty blender, just make sure that it is damp. Put it under the tap and squeeze it like 10 to 15 times to remove the excess water. So I'll show you one side with a beauty blender and one side with the kabuki brush. I'll just take a very small amount of foundation and dot it all over my face. That way I'm not gonna apply excess product. With a flat kabuki brush, you just want to go in with small downward strokes, not in the circular motion or dragging the foundation. You'll just go in small downward strokes. Just press the foundation into your skin, not drag it downwards or in circular motions. You just need to go in small downward strokes. This will give you a very natural look. Now coming to the beauty blenders, You should always use the butt of the beauty blender as it has much surface area, and always use a damp beauty blender. So with this also you will just press it into your skin, not drag the foundation or go into circular motions, just press the foundation in small strokes. So that's it, that's how you apply your foundation. Now you must have noticed that I haven't applied my foundation under my eyes. You can still see my dark circles. I'm gonna conceal my under eyes. So if I apply the foundation and also the concealer, that will be too much product. The next step is concealing. You need to conceal your under eye so that your dark circles are not visible, and also you can highlight your under eye so that it gives you a very bright look. Also, if you have very heavy under eyes, like very dark under eyes, you should go for a corrector. I'm using the Swiss Beauty liquid concealer in the shade 04. I've just taken a very small amount of it and just applied under my eyes. Now for the highlighted effect, you can definitely use a concealer which is 1 or 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. So I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Apply it where the light hits directly, that is the bridge of your nose, chin, under your eyes, forehead, and blend it out. We have to set everything, whatever we have applied on our face, so that it does not move or start creasing. For that you can use loose powder or a compact. I usually go with a compact because I don't like baking my face. So today I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me matte and poreless powder. The damp beauty blender and press it on the compact. Apply it under my eyes. I'm just pressing the powder in. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this. I'll be back with another video where I'll show you how I apply a blush, contour, and highlight my face. So stay tuned for that. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching.